Color grading doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, we're keeping it simple. A clean, easy walkthrough of how to actually approach a grade from scratch. Before we touch a single node, let's set ourselves up properly. First, enable optimized media or cache for smooth playback. This is especially important for larger files and complex projects. Make it a habit from the start. Now for color management. We're working in DaVinci Wide Gamut with DaVinci Intermediate. This gives us the most latitude to work with. Head into the color page. First thing, a CST node. Color Space Transform. This converts our footage into the work in color space, so everything we do after this is accurate. Now let's build our node structure. We need a balance node, an exposure node, a saturation node, and a look node. Simple and organized. Starting with balance. Open your primaries and bring up your scopes. Use gain to control your highlights. Lift them up or bring them down. Use lift for your shadows. Watch the graph, not just the image. For exposure, set an anchor point and move it to where your eye feels right. Light just a touch up, then roll off the highlights so they don't clip. Bring the midpoint down slightly toward the shadows, not to crush them. Just enough weight. Saturation comes last in this pass. Keep it minimal for now. Just enough to understand what you're working with. If something looks wrong here, it's probably not a bad color. It's a bad color match. That's what secondaries are for. Now, the look. We're working in hue versus hue and hue versus saturation. Watch what happens when you push yellow up. Your highlights go golden. The things catching light shift warm. That's the sun doing its job, and we're following it. Now open the color warper. Notice the blacks have a yellow cast. That's a mismatch. Black shouldn't be yellow, so we pull it back toward neutral. Just a touch cooler. Not a correction. A match. Look at the image now. Left side is golden, where the sun hits the trees. Right side is cooler, neutral, in the shade. That's motivated grading. You're not inventing a look. You're finishing what the light already started, and you'll make mistakes doing this. I made some in this very grade. That's fine. Be confident. Work through it, and trust what your eye and your scopes are telling you together. For the sky, we don't need to touch it. Finally, saturation. Use color slice. Desaturate first to see where you are. Then use the density slider to loosen it up. Let the colors breathe rather than fight each other. That's it. Simple, clean, and a genuinely good foundation. This won't solve complex grades, but it will teach you how to think about them. Practice here first. The rest follows.